Because if you haven't tried using subagents to orchestrate your work before, then this might just be one of the easiest and quickest way for you to try it out. So what is the Gauntlet Loop exactly? Well, thankfully, Matt also shared his exact prompt here. And surprisingly, it is quite simple. It is only a 3-line prompt. And so you can see I just pasted that whole prompt in here. And what's actually more interesting here versus the actual verbiage of this prompt is just the pattern and structure of it. Because if you really break this down into these 3 lines, essentially what you have is a prompt structure that you can copy yourself, where first you give it a task of what you want to happen. In this case, the task that Matt was gunning for is to build a first-person shooter game. And then the second part here is essentially the build method. So how that agent is going to achieve that task, where he's asking the main agent to fan out sub-agents and have each of those tackle each task individually, and to have a separate sub-agent check it visually to ensure that it looks really, really good. And then finally, the third part to this is the bar to hit, which is essentially the standard where the agent can decide when it can stop. And so he's saying here to not stop until each sub-agent is utterly wowed with the quality when compared with the actual Call of Duty game. And what actually makes this Gauntlet Loop so effective are these 2 parts right here. Because if you haven't tried using subagents to orchestrate your work before, then this might just be one of the easiest and quickest way for you to try it out.